Start always two actions, hip, foot, just to make life easier. We're gonna go settle into the hip, so we have pendulum rotation, we move the foot side, we move body. We do hip action, rotation, together, thighs back. We go back step, hip opens, we walk side step, hip pendulum over rotation, close it in, hip pendulum over rotation, walk forward, slow. Beautiful, let's try it together. From here, let's start side together. Hip settles, and now you already know as much as you can. Good, beautiful. We go as much as you can, detail, more, rotate, rotate, back, slow. And quick hip circle, slow. Dance position, quick hip circle, as much as you can, back, slow, rotate. Rotate, figure eight, walk. Quick, and spine always over. Quick and quick, good. So within this connection, we can be movable. We can create connection in, connection out. We can have your feet apart from me. We can have one side coming in toward other side. And I want to have this feeling of a little bit more in and into me. Yeah, so if we had this kind of feeling here, we would be able to move toward one side and connect with your spine to me. Move your spine more forward over the foot, so I want to feel good. Give me a little bit more of your body weight. So into this hand, more, yes. So you want to balance me out, so here more, yes. Over, so we want to have this feeling of connection. Good, did you feel you went a little bit back immediately there?
I did.
But you had a couple of really good ones. One more time, we go. Toward, give me body weight, good job. More body weight over. I don't feel you at all. Can you feel that as well? So,
I was like going,
yeah, hold it. So you just stay here. I'm gonna show you. So right now, what I felt from you was this. You're very neutral. It was very comfortable, nothing wrong, but I couldn't feel you moving into me, yeah. So from here, as we settle, let's go side, get into this hand, yes. Yes, so we move increasing pressure, then rotating, yeah. This way, I can actually lead you more with my body. So if we're here, whoom, tik, whoom, yeah. Now when we're in dance position, this has to be there as well. So like this, beautiful connection. I want to feel that same feeling of over, good. Not too much muscle, so be careful not to increase, so that's a little bit too muscular. We want to still have a feeling the same as it's here. They're still movable, there's still flexible. Breath, yeah, still breath in it, but we just have that connection. Have your arms a little bit in front and up more forward, this way. Good, just for now, we go and over, that's it, cheek, good. Just see from this side. A little bit more around.
My short little arms.
No, they're good. Just you want to close that gap.
Yeah.
Soft arms to me. Give me the spine more over your tippy toes, then over the tippy toes even more. Good. Stay. So one trick for this is this. Keep the distance between the two of us far on top and less on the bottom, or sorry, vice versa.
So more like.
Yeah. I want to feel actually forward. So I want to feel that if I was to move, I would fall. More. Yeah. More. Yeah, give me all of your body weight here. So as you're here, so move forward, go. Good. So we're not going to need this much connection, but this is the right idea. So if we're here now, we go toward one another. Good. Now when we dance, we want to maintain that as much as we can, which is another topic, but we'll have the right idea. One more time, same thing. So to me, come. Yes, good job. We go soft arm here, a little bit more around, and let's go side together. Let's go box step, back. Quick, slow, quick, good job. Okay, now I want to do the same thing, double hand hold. So what I'm feeling is your steps are good. I have no complaints right now about that. But what happens is when you're moving back especially, this is very common, you're taking your connection back with you. And what we need to make sure that even when you move back, connection stays forward. So give me best posture we can. Good job. Let's go side together and keep the connection always to me. So if this is like a +1 connection, I want it to stay +1 even as you go back. So to me with arms, yes, to me with that connection as you go side together. Good, keep it, and. So you feel when I move back, I'm still with you.
Yeah.
To me. And especially right now, to me more to me. Almost, do it again, I need more weight, yes. Almost like you're about to resist moving back.
Okay.
But not quite.
Like you're kind of pushing me, but you're not.
Exactly. This is the leading portion of it, right? So you're here, we settle, let's have a back step, but don't go before I go. So body to me, body, then walk. to me, good. Body stays with me. Ta, ta, body stays with me, more, you see here, yes, more, give me more, yes. Walk back, but keep to me, over, and one, that was very nice. And to me, keep the connection forward, spine, give me the best posture, boom. That's much better, good job.
I feel it.
Slow, forward, continue even more, quick, increase the connection even more. Yes, yeah, hip action while you're doing this, good, keep the connection. Beautiful, to me, forward, yes. Okay. Now, keeping this in dance position, same principle, but really this will not be reflected so much into arms. Like it's not like you're gonna feel this so much, but within our frame, I wanna have a feeling of toward, not strong actually. So strong is the wrong word because strong implies that we're gonna use this. We don't want muscles because then it becomes tiring to dance. But we do want, our posture has to be toward one another within that. So there's still a lot of malleability here. Stay there and move toward me. This is where I need you to be. Arms are still movable, but you feel how much more forward you are?
Yeah.
Just protect your lower back, tummy in. Good job. Stay here. We're gonna go quick. Stay to me, yes. So as you send the leg back, your chest is still over. Come to me here. Boom, back. Leg moves, but spine stays to me. Go quick, slow. Quick, move the back foot, move away, good, but chest to me, it's okay. This is neutral. If we move our spine forward a little bit more, this is +1. If we move it a little bit more, this is +2. Balance me out. Now from here, we can go back to +1. We can go to 0. Let's go one more time. We go +1, +2. Good job. And this is not a muscular thing. Stay with me. More forward. It's balancing each other out using our spine. Tummy is still in. Good job. Now, when we're doing the box step, I want you to maintain a +2 connection for right now. So we're here. We're gonna settle forward. Good job, this is +2. Give me a little bit more spine forward. Good. Settle into the hip and keep this forward. I need even more body weight forward. More. Good.
I feel like I'm gonna knock you
That's
over.
okay. No, it's fine. Side together. Stay with me. Good job. Give me +2 forward, especially right now when you switch. So you switch, settle the hip. Yeah, this is good. Bring the foot, switch feet, and forward. Give me more. Spine, not arms. Move, lean even more. Yes. Back step. Excellent, hip and forward. Side step, to me, stay with me, more forward. You see your back weighted there, all good. Hip settles, but spine forward. More, yes. Feet in, and switch. Feet, hip. Your back weighted. All good. So settle into the hip. More spine forward, yes, this is perfect. Forward. This is the easiest one. Keep forward to me more, yes, more. Good. More the whole time. Good, continue the whole time. Me, more. Good job, yes. Me, especially right now, give me more. More spine forward, lean into me, yes. Tummy is in, chest over, and walk, continue. And quick, me, quick and slow. Forward. Oh, good. I find this
It's
is,
like switches.
yeah.
I'm switching, I'm going back.
I find this is one of the hardest pieces of the box step. It's that the moment you think hip, you naturally want to go back. Not you, everybody. But this is also why it's so hard to create a very nice looking box step. One more time. It's okay?
Yeah.
No pain?
No pain.
Okay, we go. Give me more spine, good. Keep it. Side together, side, good job. Perfect, exactly like this. Close to me. Good job, excellent. Back, side together, keep it to me. Exactly right, perfect. Keep it to me the whole way. Keep it forward. Hip, forward, yes. Keep it forward, and slow. Quick to me. Way better, congratulations. Good, perfect, we go. Keep that feeling. So right now, imagine the heels cannot go all the way down into the floor. Back, good. Keep the heels light, chest here. I don't feel you anymore. Yes.
Where'd I go?
You're good. Switch. Good. And forward. I want to feel the whole way through. Give me more body weight forward. Yes. That was good. And quick. Hip. Circle. Good job. Spine all the way forward. Tummy is in. And slow. Quick. Slow. Spine forward. Good. Just looking for you to be over and maintain that feeling of over. Click the heels. Good. Even more forward. Yes. Good. That's it. Take the side step and keep that spine forward and over. Especially right now. Hold your back weighted there. I can see your, yes. Step back. Good. Good job. Good. Keep the heels behind the body and spine forward. Good. Spine forward. Keep it to me, right now, especially there to me. More forward. Yes. And back step. Good. To me, yeah.